This video tutorial will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups and fake human verification alerts that come from the site hellomedias.com. Some people see these pop-ups by hellomedias.com, and these pop-ups are absolutely fake human verification alerts. They try to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. If people mistakenly do that, and if they click on allow, their browser gets hijacked and infected with plenty of advertisements that would be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Carefully research all these websites allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious sites from the list. Now, in order to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.